Children can be burned, or anyone can be burned, by a strong acid or a strong alkaline. And a lot of our cleaning products, particularly things like dishwasher tablets and washing tablets and these capsules and things, are strong alkaline, and they will burn them. If you find that your child has bitten into a dishwasher tablet, do what you can to rinse the majority of it out of their mouths. So what you would like them to do is swill it round and spit it out. It depends on the age of the child as to whether they're able to do that. Protect yourself, because obviously if it's burning them, it's got the potential to burn you as well. So first get them to rinse round and spit, and then you would get them to take small sips of milk or water. Check on the packet and see if there are any specific instructions for what you should do in case of ingestion. If it gives you clear advice, follow their instructions, but also if they appear to be burning and you're concerned about their airway, then call an ambulance straight away. If they don't appear to be having problems swallowing and you don't think that they have swallowed any of it, phone 111 and get advice from them as well. So swill around their mouth really carefully and get them to spit out the product. Once that's been done, small sips of milk or water, and most importantly, do not make them sick. Because if they've swallowed something that is corrosive, when you make them sick, it will burn again as it comes up.